I don't know what's going on in the back seat, but Freeway is so thrilled to see Sophie, and Sophie is so thrilled to see Mr. Freeway that they can hardly contain themselves. Wow. That was an accident. Oh, hello, Ritz. What are you doing? Oops, what are you doing up here? Where's Sophie? What happened to Sophie? Huh? What happened? Where's Sophie? Sophie, come on up, girl. Come on up. There they go. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Kissy, kissy, kissy. Oh, so sweet. Look at that. If that isn't true love, I don't know what is. So, we both know Freeway's freshly groomed, and this will be his first time at the dog park since he's been groomed. So his mom has got to enjoy him clean for about 4 days. Sophie and he will not be clean when we come back from the dog park, especially Freeway, because they are going to be whirling dervishes all over the park today. They're so happy, and it makes me happy. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, she's checking him out, make sure he's okay. All right, off to the park. Ugh, off my arm.